Okay, we're now going to invite CEO Rezworth Burchenson, VM Investments Limited and VM Wealth Management Limited to move his remarks.
I could say war go on, but I won't. Morning, everybody. So Mr. Street Forest did a robust introduction, which took about 5 minutes. So I won't do that. I'll say all protocols observed. So first of all, I want to thank the team from VM Wealth Management. I mean, we were the lead broker for this transaction. As Andre said before, we're 20% oversubscribed. Overwhelming demand, and as Andre said before, it showed lots of confidence that the invested market had or have in VM Investments, VM Wealth, and the wider VM Group. What I would say, just to support what Mr. Street Forest said, in as much as the door is wide open, that we encourage principals of companies to utilize the services of VM Wealth Management, because as you can see, we are quite able to put together well-structured solutions that can meet the varying demands of principals. The inflows from this offer, I would have said it before, is a key part of our pillar. Our pillar is steeped on asset management, both in Jamaica and regionally. Our country manager from Barbados, Sean Yearwood, is here. We bought an asset management platform in Barbados last year, and obviously we want to ensure that we continue to build out that platform in the Southern Caribbean, and I'm quite sure in the days ahead there'll be releases as we execute on that strategy. Another key pillar for us is ensuring that we provide digital solutions for our clients. I mean, we have a robust transformation program happening. We're leveraging our client management platform in VM Wealth Management, all to ensure that our clients are provided with an awesome customer experience. I say Amazon-esque, but that's the holy grail, but certainly that's our vision to ensure that the seamlessness in which persons transact on Amazon is the same seamlessness and lack of intimidation when they engage a financial services firm. And then in VMIL, we are very excited about our PE strategy. We would have done a number of executions, and because the door is wide open, we're going to use the JSE as a key pillar as we exit those transactions. Our objective is to come in, provide capital, provide support to these entrepreneurs, and then when they're at a stage, to list them on the JSE and to ensure that all 380,000+ investors can participate in their growth going forward. I want to say, again, echoing what Mr. Street Forest said, is that we operate in very challenging times. The world between last week and yesterday, if you're not ready for it, get ready, because it's going to be interesting times. But also provide opportunities. Certainly if you're a trader yesterday, you got 9.5% deal on the upside. So our opportunity therefore from VM Wealth Management and the wider investing public is look out for opportunities. But beyond that though is one key pillar, very fundamental. In these times, institutions need liquidity, they need capital, they need scenario planning. And I know, and we all know, that the next couple of years are going to be very challenging for the local economy. And my encouragement to all principals is use the JSE as a means to raise capital. In this time, there can't be excess capital in this time. So I really would encourage all principals to take a look at the JSE. Mr. Street Forest said there are a number of securities listed. The doors are open. There are a number of securities that raise capital since the start of the year, so there's overwhelming demand for well-structured solutions, and we want to play that role to ensure that not only the benefits redound to VMIL, but the Jamaica Stock Exchange and the overall robustness of the Jamaican economy. It would be remiss of me, I know the capital markets team have a number of transactions that they're trying to, get done. Hopefully, we will be here for another listening ceremony before Dr. Street Forest retires. However, if we miss that date though, I just want to stand on behalf of VM Wealth Management, on behalf of VMIL, on behalf of the wider VM group, and say certainly thanks to Mrs. Street Forest for the growth of the Jamaica Stock Exchange under her leadership. Clap, clap, clap. One of the things about developed countries is that they have sound institutions. And I think that the Jamaica Stock Exchange is one such institution that's playing a role, but there is a lot more to be, for the institution to play as it relates to Jamaica's growth and development. But certainly, Mr. Street Forest, we say thanks for your leadership, and if we don't catch you before you leave, all the best in your retirement. Again, thanks to all, thanks to my board, thanks to the executives, thanks to the wider team, thanks to the sales team, thanks to the capital markets team, thanks to the legal team, regulators, certainly FSC played an important role. So team, let's build on this success. One love.